So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about a new company called Fetti, which helps you get access to higher paying jobs. And within minutes, you can fill out the link below to sign up for Fetti, and they're gonna start sending you jobs, and they're looking for gig workers who have experience so you can get higher paying jobs, higher earnings, and potentially even an easy job that pays you a ton of money. So stop applying for tons of jobs and use Fetti with our link below so you can get jobs sent to you automatically. And who knows, maybe you could actually land the job of your dreams and make way more money than you ever dreamed of. So get started with Fetti completely for free, and within minutes, you'll get jobs sent right to you. And how much can you make on Instacart? Can you make 2,000 bucks a week on Instacart? Do you think you can, Izzy?
Yeah.
2,000 bucks a week on Instacart. By the way, we actually featured a woman who did that. 2,000 bucks a week, if not more. We'll show you guys this really quickly and show you guys that it can be done. Do you recognize this person, Izzy?
Yeah.
Who? Who is she?
Harley.
Yes.
Wait, that video got a lot of views.
I know. That's one of our most viral videos because she made 20 grand a month delivering groceries. She'll make like 3-4 grand a week doing Instacart. She said she would make like 700 bucks in a day doing Instacart.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So it definitely can be done. It's just like you gotta drive like from dusk till dawn. You gotta wake up right when the grocery stores open and then be done when the grocery stores leave. Now, this is not a long-term thing, you're gonna do this for the rest of your life. But if you're in a pickle, if you're in a pinch, and you need to make a lot of money fast, Instacart could be your answer. There's a lot of strategies that go into doing Instacart. High-paying batches. You only have to do high-paying batches. Don't pick up the $9 ones. Don't pick up the $10 ones. You got to find like $50 plus ones. Now, if you're in a wealthy area, some of the orders might be like $100 plus. Harley said she would only do like $100 plus orders. So she said sometimes people only make $88 in 8 hours. That's horrible. $11 an hour. So if you can, I mean, and the other thing is too, guys, is if you're doing Instacart and you also have another side job too, like if you use Fetti, you can get a remote job that you can do in between the big paying batches so that you're not waiting constantly just refreshing. You can work, like let's say you get a sales job where you can call somebody on the phone and then, you know, you're calling people on the phone, you get a $50 batch with Instacart. Boom, take that. Now all of a sudden you're making $800 a week with Instacart. You're making $1,200 with your remote job. Boom, you're making $2 grand a week. So you got to get creative, my friends. Think outside the box. How do you make $2 grand a week? Most rich people too, guys, they got like multiple streams of income. They're like trying out new things all the time. And yeah, the first thing you probably try isn't going to be a home run, but you know, the more and more things you try, the more and more like ways you figure out, oh, I can make money this way, I can make money that way, this one's worth it, this one's not worth it. And again, big shout out to Fetti, the new company that is going to help you get higher paying jobs. So use the link below. It only takes 2 minutes. You just fill out a couple of questions. So use our link below for Fetti and they're going to help you get a better job. Thanks for watching, guys.